Trader Dub here, so you know what time it is. Ticker game time. All right, so let's break down a ticker and a little bit of game time action. First, before we get there, Go Pack Go. It's what? August 16th. So football season is so close. Last run for Aaron Rodgers and the gang. Him and Devontae Adams will probably be gone next year. But hey, let's see what we can do. Let's get that ring, get that bling, and get out. So I'm going to pick NAOV. It's a lower price ticker. And I got the support put up there. So we're going to talk about, I know this isn't live, so I'm not talking through the process as it's unfolding. One, I don't think you want to sit here and watch a long video on a $3, $4 stock waiting for every 1 minute candle, because I like using 1 minute candles. I am more of a scalp trader, but I am able to allow what is a scalp setup, where some people would be like taking 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20 cents. I'm able to allow it to play out bigger pictures, because I also do look at the 3, the 5, the 10, the daily. So I put it all together. So anyways, we got the support right now. Let me pull it up in a bigger chart. So we have the support, and this is what I look for, just so you can kind of pick my brain as a scalp slash intraday trend rider, a little train action, nice and slow, collect that dough. Is I like to, after the open, I like to see where a bottom is. So currently, this happened to be the bottom. I don't know that at the time. No trader knows exactly what's going to take place. So for me, I'm patient. I am very patient. I don't need to make money right away and be all excited. Instead, I'm going to play the safe route, because this is to me, makes more sense. So anyways, here's the bottom. I allow some tickers to play out, a little consolidation. So I'm just watching. Here's a little lower high, lower low. I'm like, okay. I got my support here. This is exactly where I would have put the support in real time. I would have put it right here, let it go across. It now comes up, and to me, okay, this is now the high. It's now setting the current high for the day. It's consolidating up here. Fails. See the upper sell wicks? Even with the volume, it was selling off. It was selling off. Bam, comes down, tests the support, which was right here. And this is an entry that I really look for a lot on tickers where I feel I can catch a lot of the move. So as it's setting up on support right here, and let's say it broke support, I would have been watching to see if it came right back down and tested. And that's not a straight line, but I would have wanted to see what it would have did in this area. For in this case, it held up here, it came on up, which now this support is some resistance, and then also I would have drew my resistance right here. So these are key areas I would have been looking for to take profits if I really wanted quick scalps. But you gotta kind of do the math. I mean, is a perfect entry going to happen? No. So if I'm in here at 333, and right here is already resistance at 340, let's just say, and what's that, 50. That's not a lot of meat on the bone. So you don't want to get yourself in those fast of scalps when you're newer. I do know plenty of traders that are that quick and will take that little of profit, but that's them. I don't recommend it for everybody. You got to have the skill set. So back to this entry. So I'd watch here, mark it, let it do its thing, and then come back. And now you see this higher low. Here is where my light bulb goes off. I'm like, I got this easy little gap where this can be my exit stop loss. This section right here, as it's coming up, can be my entry point. So for me, I like to get this little, it's almost a little wedge, and I'll enter into this And it does another thing. It gives me a chance to have this safe exit or this safe exit. Because remember, I think a lot of level 1 traders get caught up on that perfect exit without playing with adjusting it. And I don't mean adjust it like from here to here. No, you're coming out as a loser on that. But I'm saying if you're able to see it set up correctly, where okay, I could even play a safer exit on this, then why not play it a little safer when you're new? I'm talking to level 1 traders. Always err on the safe side, okay? So anyways, I would have entered during this consolidation period. I would have saw how it would have reacted going up and testing this resistance. Here it came back down, but what happened? It held at support. Okay, so we're good. Catches a nice volume spike, breaks up. Again, we're good. Comes back in. This was resistance. Let me show you where I got that resistance. I got this resistance coming from the previous day. That's what gave me that that support line. Even though I'll interchange the word support and resistance, it's just like I put it up there, and then as things are developing, obviously I know, oh, that's now resistance. Oh, that's now support. So I got some of these lines from coming into the back. So those came from back there, and then this here. So anyways, let me grab my marker. Here we go. And we're back. So now it did an explosion, came back, tested support, came back through. Volume is very nice. Came up, back down, back down. So this entire time here, all I am doing is watching and seeing if anything's going against me that I should be scared of, like a big old red candle. Hey, people are selling, anything of that nature. But currently would not be the case. Right here, big old consolidation pattern. Again, it held very cleanly on this support. Nothing to freak out about. It's up to you where you're comfortable on, taking profit. You could, on this pop here, you could take some. This pop right here, you could take some off the table. It's all what you're seeing in the bigger picture during this consolidation period. If you're seeing anything you don't like, again, take some risk off the table. Take some shares off. Level 1 traders, we always want to pad your P&L, and hitting singles is not trying to have something go boof against you. Okay, so this one happened to work out, and you can draw some wedges to also confirm some of your information. Oh, okay, it broke the wedge. Came back, tested the wedge, confirmed on the upside. Put the pieces together, what you're seeing. You just don't have to have your support down here. If you can draw some wedges, especially some bigger wedges like this for confirmation, again, stay confident and allow the play to develop. Here was a resistance that came support. It held, came back up. Here was resistance that came support, and now it's still doing its thing. So currently we got a nice live ticker. We're caught up. Volume's still been well. There's not a whole lot else really popping in the market, so other traders are eyeing this. 4 was a number that we thought definitely had a chance to being hit, and it proved so. So we got a little wedge being formed right here. So we'll see how that plays out. We also have, let's get get a blue line up there. That's my support line, is the blue. Dun, dun, dun. So we got about right there would be support. We got some sell wicks right here, 1.6 roughly million shares on that minute candle, so still a lot of volume coming through. And again, anytime you're on the high side as a trader, you're on the sideline. Anytime the ticker's up, you're on the sideline, okay? Your entry points were anything down this consolidation period, you know, coming for a trend. You know, if you threw up a wedge and you want to get in during a wedge period for the break side, those are times to get in. But when it's running without you, just wave, give it a thumbs up, clap if you want to. So I'm going to end this video. I don't think it was too long, but that's just kind of my thought process on what's going on with NAOV. Good luck as a trader. I always feel welcome to join our Discord. It's Dub Traders on the Discord. That's Dub Traders. There'll also be a link in the YouTube video. And click it, join, and chat with some traders. Have a good time. So I'm Trader Dub. I'm out.